Doing a walk around here on our latest restoration from California Datsun. This is a 77 280Z that we upgraded to a turbocharged motor. A lot of the beautiful Pro Tuners intake manifold and exhaust manifold we'll get to on the other side. Intercooler. This one's painted in a Lexus Pearl White. It's getting dark today, so I'm going to make this quick. We got the California Datsun brake kit from Wilwood. This is our hat and disc 6-piston kit. See that in there. Come around the inside. It's finished in a beautiful red leather interior. Its fuel management is a Fuel Tech 550. We got a Alpine double din touchscreen there. It's got all these beautiful instrumentation gauges from our partners at Speed Hut. And the finish on this is awesome. Nice armrest with cup holders. We eliminated the ashtray and went with an additional cup holder there. Beautiful red door panels. Onto the rear, same rear disc brake conversion. That's the 4-piston caliper from Wilwood with the e-brake function. Coming around to the rear, we did a LED taillight conversion. Also eliminated the rear bumper, painted the taillight surrounds to match. Turned out really nice. I like the way that looks. Some more from the inside here. New carpet. That's a Mercedes custom made sewn bound edges carpet. Leather throughout, and I say throughout meaning all of these panels are wrapped in leather. Obviously the seats, the entire center console is leather wrapped. Even the headliner up there is leather. So that's really nice. This particular client wanted a third brake light, so we added that. Coming around to the driver's side, more of the same, kind of get some better visual of the instrumentation. We got a couple up here on the pod as well. That looks really nice. Beautiful Momo Gotham steering wheel, weighted shift knob, which was also colored matched to the red interior. Super nice car. And then back over here to the engine bay, which is where all the business is. It's got a Garrett ball bearing turbo down there. Again, all the Pro Tuners, beautiful intake and exhaust manifold. Integrated crank angle sensor into what used to be a ZX distributor that we modified. And this thing is loaded with all the goodies. We did a 240Z front bumper conversion with the 240Z lower turn signal lights and daytime running lights, along with the air dam there. Removed all the emblems. So yeah, I mean, this car is a beauty, and we are certainly proud of the work all our guys did here at California Datsun to bring it to you. If you want a car restored, please give us a call. All of these Z cars are built to order, meaning to the customer's specifications, color, interior, options, wheels, tires, brakes, everything. So we look forward to doing business with you, and hopefully this is something that you would like to see in your Z.